Hey, welcome to another video of fundamental analysis. Today we are going to see one of the potential stocks in the IT sector. Many might be very familiar with this stock. This is one of the leading payment processing platforms. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the company details, performance, and what we can predict for the future. Basically, Infibeam is a fintech company which provides a solution for digital transaction whether you can make a payment online. You might have noticed this gateway solution in any of the online transactions. And this is one and only fintech company listed in Indian market. They mainly concentrate on the B2B segment. You might have seen new e-commerce products emerging locally in India since the pandemic. This will scale tremendously. If there is an e-commerce boom, Infibeam will take a huge chunk of that success. There are a few other reasons why we suggest this one. Most importantly, the company is almost debt free. That's a green signal. Their sales growth is about 30% over 5 years and revenue of 15%, while their peers give an average of 9% each. That's a huge one. And this is the right time to buy this stock. The time is very favorable for them. The factoring law amendments boost this company. They are going to provide the solution to 9,000 non-banking financial companies in factoring. Infibeam Avenues has set its course to tap the Indian factoring market space, which is estimated to be worth of $6 billion. And they are using the AI and data-driven technologies will facilitate banks and NBFCs to tap the short-term and medium-term credit requirements of the SME, MSME, and merchants for a duration of 3 months to 18 months. As we mentioned earlier, this is the one and only fintech company in the Indian market. It has a special position. Their current price is about 42 rupees and 55 paise with a market cap of 5668 crores. It's a 52-week high of 58.4 rupees and a low of 33.8 rupees with a book value of 21.7 rupees. This shows it's a good point to enter into this stock, and it has the PE value of 77.6 and ROE of 2.51%, and the debt to equity ratio is minus 0.04. Infibeam's performance in past is quite decent. It has one day return is about plus 1.31% and 1 week return is about negative 2.96%. 1 month return is about negative 15.32%, and it has a good growth of 1 year with a 16.74%. Soon it will have a nice setup. If that forms, it will eventually break out in positive growth, end up the price of 50 plus in a no time.
Infibeam's quarterly result is always amazing. They used to keep their results on a positive note. This graph shows their sales versus net profit. Their sales are quite decent in past 3 quarters, as well as they managed to give a decent profit. They're spending much on new technologies and innovation to keep themselves ahead in the game.
From the quarter result itself, we can infer that it will be giving a good profit. Again, this graph shows the same thing. For the last 2 years, they managed to give sales of more than 600 crores and a profit of around 7,200. Even though they are able to post a profit each year, the dividend pay is very quite low. To be true, that is below par for a company like this. Last year, they were able to give a 6% dividend with their face value of 1 rupee. This is their shareholding pattern. Their promoters' holding pattern is low, and it's even decreased from the past quarter. And currently it sits at 31%. On the other hand, it has been added in mutual funds of 0.03%, which is quite new considering their past. And they are not in any of the small cases yet. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. You can share this video to all other friends who is very interested in having an analysis on Infibeam. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.